Hi guys, in front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select security, and here you will notice a fingerprint, so just mark it. And first of all, we have to set some backup to the fingerprint, so let's add some screen lock. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Tap on next then, and just draw the pattern that you want to apply. Tap on next again, confirm. And now just personalize the sensitive content on lock screen. I will hide it. And now it's time to add a fingerprint. So you just have to place your fingerprint on the sensor. Let's just mark fingerprint, tap on next, and here you've got the fingerprint sensor. So just keep tapping like this. Then you will be able to see the progress on your screen. And tap on finish. And as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device smoothly with tapping with your fingerprint on the sensor. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.